How to hide all prior or past transactions on Venmo. If you want to hide all the prior transactions on Venmo, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Venmo app, and this is the type of information you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and once you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, again tap on the gear icon, which is a settings icon from the top right hand side. Once you go to the settings icon, over there you'll find an option that says privacy, so simply go to the privacy button there, and under the more section you'll find an option that says past transactions, so just go to past transactions. Once done, you can see change all to private, so this changes the privacy settings for all the transactions. You can simply choose to make them private. It will ask you, are you sure you want to change it? So just tap on change to private option to change it. This way you'll be able to hide all of your past transactions. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.